Hey guys, so today I am tuning in and I'm here to show you that I'm gonna fidget read. And she won't be talking. I will tell you what she will be saying because she's talking like she's writing on paper because she knows I'm recording. So what would you like out of my fidgets? I'm willing to trade these two fidgets for something. Actually, no, because I got this very. I'm thinking about this one. I want to trade. She said she wants to trade me. Let me see her fidgets in a sec. I'll have to pause the video. Oh, I didn't pause it. Silly me. She don't have fidgets. Guess what she does have? A TV remote. A stupid little TV. Like, where's the TV? Fidget trading failed. You know what? I'm mad at you, but you're still gonna be in my house. I really don't know what to say at this point, but she wrote down on paper saying, okay, I'm probably gonna get a pet soon. Tuning out.